Good morning, sir. We are here to report about the PLC integration with pneumatic systems. Integrating PLC or programmable logic controller with pneumatic system is a common setup in industrial automation to achieve precise control, sequencing, and monitoring of pneumatic actuators like cylinders and valves. So, industrial automations means kanang paggamit of control systems, machines, and technologies. Parehas anang computers, sensors, robots, o kaning programmable logic controller. So makita sa nato ning PLC adto sa factories para sa ilang mga machines o internal processes. Purpose of PLC in pneumatic systems. Automation of sequence. Example, extend, hold, retract of a cylinder. So example ay sir kay kang karang operation kay mag-need sa machine nga mo extend, hold, or retract. So ang PLC may muhatag og electrical signal adto sa solenoid valve aron ipalihok ang cylinder nga mo extend, hold, or retract. Increase accuracy and timing. So again, ang giingon nako ang PLC may muhatag sa precise control sa cylinders para ma-extend, hold, retract og saktong duration sa cylinders. Safety interlocks and error detections. Safety interlocks, so panglitan na ni kay ang machines dili mo start if na by safety door nga open, or ang cylinder dili mo extend or retract kung napay parts nga in motion. Error detection. So error detections means ang ability sa PLC nga mo detect sa mga errors. So if ever na ma-detect nga errors, mo trigger siya og alarms, ipastop ang system or mo switch into safety mode until ma-fix ang error, ana siya mo operate og balik. Remote monitoring and diagnostics. So remote monitoring means ang data from sensors, actuators o sa PLC makita sa computer through internet and network connections. So gamit ani ang operators o ang technicians makita nila ang status without physically on site. Diagnostics. So ang diagnostics may ma-identify o mo troubleshoot sa any errors or abnormal conditions sa systems. Energy efficient control of compressed air usage. So gamit ang PLC control systems, siya may mutabang para malis ang energy consumption, least waste, least power usage o fewer emissions. Basic components involved PLC. So ang function sa PLC kay brain of the system, processes logic or program. So brain of the system means siya may utok sa tanan nga lihok sa machines. Sunod kay pneumatic cylinder. Performs physical motion. So siya may mo extend or mo retract ang cylinder. Solenoid valve 5x2 or 3x2 type controls airflow to the cylinder, electrically actuated. So siya may mo-control sa airflow to the cylinder. Sensors, limit switches, proximity sensors detect cylinder position. So siya may mo-detect whether fully extended or fully retracted. Air compressor plus FRL unit. Unit supplies compressed air, filters, and regulates. So gikan sa air compressor, siya may mo produce sa compressed air padulong sa FRL unit para i-filter, regulate o lubricate para usa siya mosulod sa pneumatic systems. HMI or buttons, user input for manual or automatic control. So ang HMI kay usa ra siya ka screen or panel dito naka-display ang iyang status, alarms, sensor readings, and system performance. Ang buttons, so ang buttons mo na siya ang manual controls nga mo allow sa isa ka machine nga mo start or mo stop o ang button sad kay mo activate sa mga specific nga functions. So this is my report.
How integration works. PLC controlled pneumatics combine programmable logic controllers with pneumatic actuators to create automated responsive system. The process begins with the user initiates action through a human-machine interface button, triggering coordinated sequence of events that delivered precision, control, and real-time feedback. Number one, user initiate process. Operator starts the sequence via HMI or button. Number two, PLC energize solenoid output signals solenoid valve coil. Number three, valve opens. Airflow directs cylinder actuating motion. Number four, sensor feedback. Position sensors send signals back to PLC. And number five, PLC executes next steps. Controller processes feedback and continuous sequence. And number six, motion control. PLC de-energize solenoid to retract or stop. Key advantage of PLC controlled pneumatics. Easy modification. Reprogram the PLC to change operation without hardware modification. So, maka-reprogram ka without hardware modifications, or maka-change operation without hardware modifications. Real-time monitoring, continuous feedback and status tracking for immediate response. Enhanced safety, safer than manual control with automated interlocks and safe. System integration, seamlessly connect with conveyors, sensors, robotics, and other equipment. And another one is real life applications. PLC controlled pneumatics powers some of the most critical automation processes in modern manufacturing, from high speed packaging to precision assembly. This system deliver the reliability and flexibility that industries demand. First is automated packaging machines, precise control of sealing, cutting, and material handling at production speeds. And the second, pick and place system, rapid accurate component positioning for assembly and sorting operations. Third is press machines, controlled force application with safety interlocks for operator protection. The fourth, sorting and material handling, automated routing and movement of products through production lines. Industrial doors and clamps, automated access controlled and secure fastening with synchronized timing. And that's all for my report.